All right, good day to you all. I would like to welcome you guys to another wonderful session in this particular training. And in this particular video, we are diving into technical analysis proper. So if you are coming across this video now, I would like to believe that you have literally gone through the basic phase of trading, right? You have literally gone through the stage one and you have literally learned the basic part of trading, which is, of technical analysis, which is candlesticks, and you are familiar with what we call the chart, right? So, and the candlesticks, which is the documentation of price. So now we are moving into technical analysis strategy proper, and in this particular video we are going to be talking about structure. So this video is an introductory class to structure and market swing points. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into what we have for this particular video. All right, so what is a structural point, or in other words, what is a structure? A structure is any point in the market where price reverses direction from temporarily, right? So, and it's so simple, right? It's so simple. So they are categorically called swing highs and swing lows. So swing highs and swing lows are key points on a forex chart that help define the market structure, identify trends, and mark areas of potential support or resistance. They are fundamental to technical analysis and trend determination. So now we are going to be going over to what this swing eye is, right? So later on, there is a practical session for this particular topic whereby I'm going to be showing you what this look like. So in every sides of it, every part of this training, there is always a practical session, a practical attached to it. So swing eyes. So a swing eye, or a high in other words, is a peak in price action where the price reaches a high point before reversing downward. It is characterized by a price level where a bullish move, or in other words, upward move, loses momentum and begins to reverse. It means price must have been going up before for a high to form. So price is going up before, but suddenly it changes direction from moving upward to downward. So that point whereby the direction changes is where we call it high, right? So one of also the characteristic is also a local high where the preceding and succeeding candlesticks have lower highs. I don't know if you are getting it. So we are still going to get to that very soon. So characteristics, it indicates resistance, right? Traders often monitors these levels for a sign of future selling pressure. It helps to confirm a downtrend when successive swing highs are lower than the previous ones. Don't worry, you get to understand this. We are just starting with structure. A structure is either a high or a low. So significance, it helps mark the end of a bullish wave in price action. So swing lows now. A swing low is the opposite of a swing high, right? You can also call it a low in other words. A swing low is a true in price action where the price reaches a low point before reversing upward. It's characterized by a price level where a bearish move or downward move is losing momentum and begins to reverse. So price must have been going downward before, then suddenly it changes direction from downward movement to upward movement. So that point whereby it changes direction is where we call it low, right? So I don't need to explain any of this, just the vice versa for the swing eye. So this is what it looks like, right? So as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is a high and this is a low, right? Price was formerly going upward before, then automatically it changes direction from moving upward to downward, right? So that point where it moves up from upward to downward, you can just point it out, and that's what we call a high. A high is at the top. It's simple, right? I'm just making this as basic as possible, right? So, and this is a low, right? So that's just all. I'll be looking forward to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.